Okay children, good morning everyone. Yes. So I am fine, so you too also fine. That's I am hoping. Okay. So this is class 5 science. So we have completed the chapter. Now this is the textual reading and as well as the sexual exercises. Okay. So let us start. Okay. Words to know. Hemoglobin, a substance in blood that gives is the red color and carries oxygen. Okay, this hemoglobin is present in our blood and it is a red color substance which carries the oxygen. Okay. Rodents, animals that gnaw or nibble at their food. Yes, animals that gnaw their food like squirrels, rabbits, right? These are the rodents. Quick recap. Okay, now quick recap means like this is the summary of the lesson. Okay, the surroundings in which an animal lives, eats, grows and has babies is called its habitat. Okay, what do you mean by habitat, children? The surroundings in which an animal lives, eats, grows and has babies is called as habitat. Different animals have different breathing organs like lungs, gills and spiracles, moist skin, etc. Right? Feeding organs like beaks, teeth, mouth parts of animals are modified according to the kind of food they eat. According to the kind of food they eat, the feeding habits also different in the different animals. Limbs in the form of fins, paddles, wings or legs help animals to move. Okay. Fins in the aquatic animals like fish, paddles, turtles, wings, birds and insects, legs in the human beings as well as in the mammals. Migration means mass movement of certain animals at certain times of the year. Yes, this we know. The mass movement of animals from one place to another is called as migration. The migration is done because of the for breeding purposes and for to escape the harsh weather also. Yes, and that is called as migration. Okay, now let us read and answer. Okay, read and answer. Take the correct answers, children. A frog is an amphibian because it can live where? Only on land, only in water, on land and in water, none of these. Yes, this is the correct option. Please children, take the C bit. Whales and dolphins are classified as what? Fish, reptiles, mammals or amphibians. That is mammals. Okay children. This animal has scales on its body. That is fish. Not deer, not zebra, not ostrich. Zebra doesn't have scales. Okay children, they don't have scales. Okay. This bird cannot fly. Owl, duck, aquatic tern, ostrich. This is ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Locusts are harmful migratory what? Birds, rodents, fish or insects. That is insects. Please tick children. The water boatman uses its legs as what? Antennae, radars, fans or oars. That is oars. Yes, next one children. Change the underlined word to make correct statements. Rewrite the correct statements in your notebook. In your notebook you have to write this children. You have to change the sentences in the correct form. Animals get their supply of oxygen from food. Plants, that is plants. Plants. Animals get supply of oxygen from food or plants. That is plants. Instead of plant, food you have to write what? Plants. The blood of an insect does not contain the carbon dioxide carrier called hemoglobin. This is not contains of carbon dioxide. It does not contain oxygen. Okay, that is the reason it doesn't have hemoglobin. The mass movement of animals from one place to another is known as what? Hibernation or migration? Migration. Hibernation is different from the migration. It is like the hibernation can be seen in the polar polar bears in which they are undergoing like they are undergoing the sleep of 6 months, that is called as hibernation. Okay, so please don't confuse that one. Dash. Lungs are gills are special. So here children, gills are special organs with which all mammals breathe. No, that is not gills, that is lungs. Mammals like ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs, that is insects, not mammals. Okay, right short answer. Why do animals need to take oxygen? Obviously to be alive. Okay, why do animals need to move in search of food? For breeding purposes, for taking rest. Okay, this all will come in why do animals move. What is the difference in a way a tadpole and frog breathe? The tadpole has gills to breathe, but a frog has lungs to breathe on the land. In the water, frog can breathe in the with the moist skin. What are the characteristic feature of teeth in herbivores? Yes, so in the herbivores they have front sharp teeth and the grinding teeth also very strong. Why do some animals migrate? They are migrating with because for breeding purposes, for taking the shelter, for to escape the harsh weather, resting place. So these are the these are the things which they can, why the animals migrate. Answer these questions. Name a few animals found around you. Write one characteristic feature of each. Yes, that you can do. Okay. How is the breathing process of an insect is different from the fish? Insect can breathe through the air holes, spiracles. We have gone through it. Yes, but fish with the help of gills. What special feature help water animals to move? Yes children, this you have to write in a lengthy way, because the paddle like feet limbs, they have turtle, and fins are existing for the fish. And what about the mammals? They have legs, forelimbs and hind limbs. But what about the humans? They can stand upright, walk, run, and they have forelimbs as the hands and legs is the hind limbs. How do insects move? With the help of the spiracles. Okay, they have 3 pair of legs and they have 6 legs, but the spider has 8 legs children. Okay, snakes are reptiles without any legs. How do they move? They move with the help of scales. Think and answer. Which of these really a fish? Silverfish, starfish, jellyfish? Which one? Obviously silverfish. What is the difference between an owl and ostrich? Both are birds, but ostrich is a flightless bird. An owl is a nocturnal bird, and it is a bird which can fly. A bird can fly, yet they are different from each other. Yes, obviously a bat and a bird can. Bat is it's like a insect. Okay, and the bird can fly. It's a nocturnal animal. Okay, a dolphin lives in water whereas monkey lives on land. Yet they are similar to each other, at least one respect. What is it? Yeah, they are similar because both are mammals. Because even the dolphin has lungs, and even the monkeys also have lungs. And moreover, they are mammals because they are give rise to their own young babies. They are not laying the eggs. Okay children, this we have discussed, and I will send you this up in a soft copy of in a PDF or docs form, so that you can learn and that you can write. Okay, and even the new words also I will send on for this chapter. Okay, so tomorrow next video we will do the enrichment activities. Okay children, take care, bye.